वेलकम टू लर्निंग अड्डा। आज हम बैंक एग्जाम्स के लिए 30 ओरिजिनल क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व करेंगे। हर नए क्वेश्चन टाइप के पहले उसकी अप्रोच समझेंगे, फिर स्टेप बाय स्टेप सॉल्यूशंस देखेंगे। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। अप्रोक्सीमेशन में हर वैल्यू को ऐसे नियर बाय नंबर पर राउंड कीजिए जिसे परसेंटेज, स्क्वायर, रूट या डिवीजन इजी हो। ऑपरेशन साइन सेम रखिए और प्रोसेस्ड रिजल्ट चूज कीजिए। Question 1. Approximation. 62.48% of 1599.2 plus 37.52% of 960.8 minus 18.02 squared, approximately. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option B. Round 62.48% to 62.5% and 1599.2 to 1600. This gives 1000. 37.5% of 960 is 360 and 18 squared is 324. Therefore, 1000 plus 360 minus 324 equals 1036. Question 2. Square root of 5183.2 plus cube root of 6857.4 plus 27.49% of 1600.8 approximately. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option C. The square root term is approximately the square root of 5184, which is 72. The cube root term is approximately the cube root of 6859, which is 19. 27.5% of 1600 is 440. Adding 72, 19 and 440 gives 531. Question 3. 84.98 squared minus 35.02 squared with the difference divided by 24.99 approximately. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option C. Use 85, 35 and 25 as nearby values. By the difference of squares, 85 squared minus 35 squared becomes 85 minus 35 multiplied by 85 plus 35. 50 multiplied by 120 divided by 25 equals 240. Question 4. 2399.1 divided by 47.98 plus 31.97 squared minus 18.01% of 1299.4 approximately. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option D. 2400 divided by 48 equals 50. 32 squared equals 1024. 18% of 1300 equals 234. Keeping the original signs, 50 plus 1024 minus 234 equals 840. Question 5. 95.99 squared minus 24.02 squared with the difference divided by 48.01 plus 14.98 squared approximately. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option C. Round the values to 96, 24, 48 and 15. 96 squared minus 24 squared is 8640. Dividing by 48 gives 180. 15 squared is 225, so the total is 405. Number series में consecutive terms के differences, ratios, पावर्स और ऑल्टरनेटिंग ऑपरेशंस कंपेयर कीजिए। पैटर्न तभी एक्सेप्ट कीजिए जब वो हर ट्रांजिशन को एक्सप्लेन करे। क्वेश्चन 6, नंबर सीरीज। फाइंड द नेक्स्ट नंबर 5, 11, 35, 143, 719. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option C. The multiplier rises from 2 to 5, while the added number rises from 1 to 4. Continue with multiplication by 6 followed by adding 5. 719 multiplied by 6 is 4314, and adding 5 gives 4319. Question 7. Find the wrong number 13, 19, 31, 55, 104, 199. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option D. The consecutive differences should double: 6, 12, 24, 48 and 96. After 55, the correct term is 103. Adding 96 then produces 199. Therefore, 104 is the wrong number. Question 8. Find the next number 18, 15, 45, 40, 200, 193. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option C. The operations alternate between subtracting an odd number and multiplying by the same odd number. Subtract 3, multiply by 3, subtract 5, multiply by 5, then subtract 7. The next step is multiplication by 7. 193 multiplied by 7 equals 1351. Question 9. Find the next number 3, 16, 45, 96, 175. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option C. Each term follows n cubed plus 2n squared. For n equal to 6, 6 cubed is 216 and 2 multiplied by 6 squared is 72. Their sum is 288. Question 10. Find the next number 9, 20, 63, 256, 1285. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option C. At each step, multiply and add by the same increasing integer. The operations use 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next, multiply 1285 by 6 and add 6. This gives 7716. क्वाड्रेटिक कंपैरिजन में दोनों इक्वेशंस सॉल्व करके सारे रूट्स लिस्ट कीजिए। रिलेशन तभी वैलिड है जब वो x और y के हर पॉसिबल पेयर के लिए ट्रू हो। क्वेश्चन 11। क्वाड्रेटिक कंपैरिजन। इक्वेशन 1, x squared minus 29x plus 208 equals 0. Equation 2, y squared minus 19y plus 84 equals 0. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option A. Factoring the first equation gives x equal to 13 or 16. Factoring the second gives y equal to 7 or 12. Even the smaller x root is greater than the larger y root. Therefore, x is greater than y. Question 12. Equation 1, x squared minus 13x plus 36 equals 0. Equation 2. Y squared minus 25y plus 154 equals 0. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option B. The roots of the first equation are 4 and 9. The roots of the second are 11 and 14. The larger x root is still less than the smaller y root. Therefore, x is less than y. Question 13. Equation 1, x squared minus 25x plus 150 equals 0. Equation 2, y squared minus 16y plus 60 equals 0. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option C. The x roots are 10 and 15, while the y roots are 6 and 10. The smallest possible x equals the largest possible y. Every other pairing makes x greater. Therefore, x is greater than or equal to y. Question 14. Equation 1, x squared minus 15x plus 44 equals 0. Equation 2, y squared minus 25y plus 154 equals 0. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option D. The roots for x are 4 and 11. The roots for y are 11 and 14. The largest x root equals the smallest y root, while every other pairing makes x smaller. Therefore, x is less than or equal to y. Question 15. Equation 1, x squared minus 18x plus 81 equals 0. Equation 2, 2y squared minus 36y plus 162 equals 0. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option E. The first equation is a perfect square and gives x equal to 9. Divide the second equation by 2. It is also a perfect square and gives y equal to 9. Therefore, x equals y. Arithmetic में conditions को rates, ratios या equations में convert कीजिए, units consistent रखिए, और सिर्फ asked quantity calculate कीजिए. Final result को सभी conditions से verify कीजिए. Question 16. Arithmetic. Pipe A fills a tank in 15 hours, pipe B in 20 hours, and a leak empties it in 60 hours. All three operate for 6 hours, after which the leak is closed. How much more time will A and B take to fill the tank? Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option B. With the leak open, the net rate is 1/15th plus 1/20th minus 1/60th, which equals 1/10th of the tank per hour. 6 hours fill 3/5, leaving 2/5. After the leak closes, A and B together fill 7/60ths per hour. 2/5 divided by 7/60ths equals 24/7, or 3 and 3/7 hours. Question 17. A 50-liter mixture contains milk and water in the ratio 7:3. How many liters of the mixture must be removed and replaced with water so that the final ratio becomes 7:5? Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option C. The original mixture contains 35 liters of milk. Removing x liters leaves 35 multiplied by 1 minus x over 50 liters of milk. In the final ratio 7:5, milk occupies 7/12ths of 50 liters, or 175/6. Equating these quantities gives X equal to 25 thirds, which is 8 and 1/3 liters. Question 18. A invests 48,000 rupees for 12 months, B invests 60,000 rupees for 8 months, and C invests 72,000 rupees for 5 months. If the total profit is 47,200 rupees, what is C's share? Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option C. Profit is divided according to capital multiplied by time. The three products reduced to the ratio 24 to 20 to 15, with 59 total parts. C receives 15 59s of 47,200, which equals 12,000 rupees. Question 19. Train A crosses a pole in 18 seconds at 72 km per hour. It crosses a platform in 33 seconds. Train B is 240 meters long and crosses train A in the opposite direction in 12 seconds. Find the speed of train B. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option C. 72 kilometers per hour equals 20 meters per second, so train E is 360 meters long. The platform information gives a platform length of 300 meters, although that length is not needed afterward. For the opposite direction crossing, the combined length is 600 meters and the relative speed is 50 meters per second. Subtracting train A's speed gives 30 meters per second, or 108 kilometers per hour, for train B. Question 20. A sum is compounded annually at 10% for the first 2 years and 20% for the third year. If the amount after 3 years is 14,520 rupees, find the total compound interest earned. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option C. The three annual growth factors are 1.1, 1.1 and 1.2. Their product is 1.452. Dividing 14,520 by this factor gives a principal of 10,000 rupees. The compound interest is the amount minus the principal, which equals 4,520 rupees. डेटा सफिशिएंसी में पहले हर स्टेटमेंट को इंडिपेंडेंटली टेस्ट कीजिए कि यूनिक आंसर मिलता है या नहीं. स्टेटमेंट्स को सिर्फ जरूरत पर कंबाइन कीजिए और यूनिकनेस एस्टैब्लिश होते हाई कैलकुलेशन रोक दीजिए. क्वेश्चन 21. Data sufficiency. What is the speed of a boat in still water? Statement 1. Its downstream speed is 18 km per hour. Statement 2. Its upstream speed is 10 km per hour. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option D. The downstream speed alone cannot separate the boat's own speed from the stream speed. The upstream speed alone has the same limitation. Using both statements, add 18 and 10 and divide by 2. The still water speed is uniquely 14 km per hour, so both statements together are sufficient. Question 22. What is the positive integer n? Statement 1. N cubed equals 2197. Statement 2. N is the only prime number between 11 and 17. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option C. Statement 1 gives n cubed equal to 2197. Since 13 cubed has that value, n is uniquely 13. Statement 2 also identifies 13 because it is the only prime strictly between 11 and 17. Either statement alone is sufficient. Question 23. What is the length of a rectangle? Statement 1. Its perimeter is 74 centimeters and its breadth is 15 centimeters. Statement 2. Its area is greater than 600 square centimeters. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option A. From statement 1, twice the sum of the length and 15 equals 74. This gives a unique length of 22 centimeters, so statement 1 is sufficient. Statement 2 allows many possible lengths and breadths, so it is insufficient. Statement 1 alone is sufficient. Question 24. What is the value of x? Statement 1. X is an even integer between 20 and 30. Statement 2. 3x plus 14 equals 86. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option B. Statement 1 permits 4 even integers, so it does not fix x. From statement 2, subtracting 14 gives 3x equal to 72. Dividing by 3 gives the unique value 24. Statement 2 alone is sufficient. Question 25. What is the value of x? Statement 1, x plus y equals 18. Statement 2, x multiplied by y equals 77. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option E. A sum alone and a product alone are each insufficient. Combining them shows that x and y are the roots of t squared minus 18t plus 77. The roots are 7 and 11. Because the statements do not identify which root belongs to x, x still has two possible values. Even both statements together are insufficient. Data interpretation में पहले चार्ट टाइटल, लेबल्स और यूनिट पढ़िए. सिर्फ रिक्वायर्ड वैल्यूज सिलेक्ट कीजिए, परसेंटेज का करेक्ट बेस यूज कीजिए और रेशियो को n में सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए. Question 26. Data interpretation. The chart shows solar inverters dispatched by 5 regional hubs from April to June. If Orchard's dispatch rises by 25% and Summit's dispatch falls by 1/7, find the ratio of their revised dispatches. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option B. Orchard's revised dispatch is 1920 multiplied by 125%, which equals 2400. Summit retains 6/7 of 3360, which equals 2880. Their ratio simplifies from 2400 to 2880 into 5 to 6. Question 27. Find the average of 37.5% of Quartz's dispatch, 62.5% of Rivet's dispatch, and 75% of Wales' dispatch. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option C. 37.5% of 2400 is 900. 62.5% of 2880 is 1800. 75% of 3840 is 2880. Their total is 5580, and dividing by 3 gives 1860. Question 28. Whale dispatched what % more inverters than the average dispatch of Orchard and Rivet? Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option C. The average dispatch of Orchard and Rivet is 1920 plus 2880 divided by 2, which equals 2400. Whale exceeds this by 1440. Dividing the excess by the reference average and multiplying by 100 gives 60%. Question 29. If 12.5% of Orchard's inverters and 16 and 2/3% of Summit's inverters are returned, how many inverters from these two hubs are not returned altogether? Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option C. If 12.5% are returned at Orchard, 7/8 remain, giving 1680. If 16 and 2/3% are returned at Summit, 5/6 remain, giving 2800. Together, 4480 inverters are not returned. Question 30. Rivet's dispatch is divided among residential, commercial and institutional orders in the ratio 5:4:3. Priority units equal 20% of residential plus 25% of commercial dispatch. Find the ratio of Rivet's priority units to 1/6 of Wales dispatch. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option C. Rivet's ratio contains 12 parts, so one part is 240. Residential dispatch is 1200 and commercial dispatch is 960. 20% of residential plus 25% of commercial gives 240 plus 240, or 480 priority units. 1/6 of Wales dispatch is 640. The ratio 480 to 640 simplifies to 3:4. डेली लर्निंग कैप्सूल को देखने के लिए धन्यवाद. ऐसे हाई ओरिजिनल बैंक एग्जाम प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए.